So guys, we are inside our sample project. Tap on top middle button. Select the aspect ratio you want. For landscape mode, 16:9. Go to overlay, image assets. Select the black background. Give it same length as the video clip. Fit to screen. Go to split screen. Select the second option. Adjust the bottom black bar height. Duplicate the layer. Select any one of the black layers. Again go to split screen. Select the third option and adjust the top black bar. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.